Welcome back to another motherfucking video. Today, we're going to be reacting to 15 minutes of unbelievable space facts. Actually, unbelievable space facts. You know this shit's about to get good. Another day with the best community in the community. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's just get right into it because this shit's about to get good. Everybody say hey to YouTube. YouTube, you are so cute. You know I tell you every day.
You walk outside and watch as the moon gets bigger and bigger. Tumbling
Bigger and
towards
bigger.
The Earth at
Hold on. That shit like a balloon.
astonishing speed.
That shit getting closer.
What would really happen if the moon hit the Earth? As the moon gets closer, the first thing we will notice is a dramatic shift in the tides.
The waters will start, the ocean will probably be going crazy. Florida probably gonna be underwater if the moon get close.
Coastal cities will be consumed by the ocean.
I knew it. I told you.
Its gravity will cause our satellites to be thrown out of their orbits.
Oh, hell no. We got that many satellites in the air? We should probably not have that many. That's not safe.
Completely useless. There will be earthquakes and volcanic eruptions every single day.
What? Why? Bro, is the moon is holding back? Hold on. Seriously? The moon holding back the volcanoes? Oh, hell no. I didn't know that.
When the moon is just 11,000 miles away from the Earth's surface, it will be completely torn apart by Earth's gravity, creating a beautiful ring system similar to Saturn's. Any survivors will be treated to a breathtaking view of these gorgeous rings shimmering in the sunlight.
Of the moon?
Every night will feature a bright meteor shower made of moon dust.
Ew.
Now, I know this sounds bad because obviously this would cause so much destruction, but I kind of wish it would happen just so we could see the ring in the sky.
Yeah, you can.
Now, on to the next fact. Back in the year 1977, NASA launched the twin Voyager space probes, Voyager 1 and 2, into space. They were originally launched to take advantage of a rare alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Oh, that should say YouTube. We safe. We good. It say YouTube.
Again, for another 100.
What the hell?
Originally launched to take space probes, Voyager 1 and 2, into space. They were originally launched to take advantage of a rare alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune that wouldn't happen again for another 175
I appreciate you.
years. Now, on their way out of our solar system, they visited
Spaceman.
all the outer planets,
Spaceman.
all of these jaw-dropping images of them, and
What the hell? I never seen this.
for another 175 years. Now, on their way out of our solar system, they visited all of the outer planets, taking all of these jaw-dropping images
That motherfucker's pretty. That shit look like a marble. Oh, man.
of them and investigating their moons for the first time ever. But you see, these are actually special spacecraft. They are further away from us than anything ever produced by a human. And NASA thought about what would happen if an alien civilization found one of these spacecraft one day. And so they included a very special message on board.
What?
The Golden Record, or as I like to think of it, Earth's time capsule.
The fuck they think they got a DVD player? They gave these niggas they put a fucking DVD on the satellite? How the fuck is they gonna play the DVD? What the hell was they thinking? They send this shit out there 2005? How the fuck are they? They're not finna watch a Earth movie. NASA got me fucked up.
One day when
They do dumb shit every day.
extinguished like the flame of a candle, this record might be the last evidence of our existence.
And how the
anywhere
fuck,
in the universe.
bro? They could have put pictures. They could have put a bunch of different elements of stuff that we have to give to these niggas. What the fuck is they actually supposed to like play this on something?
It tells the story of our world through sound, images, and science. Earth's greatest music through time. The sounds.
Thank you,
of
Josh.
nature.
Real audio from the Golden Record. Wind. Elephants. How are they supposed to play the Golden Record? How? How are they gonna play it? How are they gonna hear it? What if they can't? How?
Spoken greetings in dozens of languages.
تحياتنا للأصدقاء في النجوم يا ليت يجمعنا الزمان
Shalom.
السلام
Wait, huh? Whoa.
Greetings in dozens of languages.
تحياتنا
Spoken greetings in dozens of
shit.
languages.
They think the fucking aliens is Arabic. Holy shit.
للأصدقاء في النجوم يا ليت يجمعنا الزمان.
Shalom.
Shalom.
Assalamualaikum. हम ज़मीन के रहने
I ain't gonna lie, I feel like if the aliens do understand some shit, it's gonna be a language like this one or something. There's gonna be one like this, for real. Some shit like this. Y'all heard what they say? I ain't hear shit they said. That sound like
Assalamualaikum. हम ज़मीन के रहने वालों की तरफ से आपको खुशामदीद कहते हैं.
that's some alien shit. That's some alien shit. Yep. I don't know shit they.
Assalamualaikum. हम ज़मीन के रहने वालों की तरफ से आपको खुशामदीद कहते हैं.
She didn't say shit close to them subtitles on that fucking screen. They gonna be able to understand them for sure.
Hello from the children of planet Earth.
We sound like bitches. Oh my god, man. Why they send them? What the hell they send the kids to speak for us for, man? They should have spent somebody with a deep ass voice, Morgan Freeman. They supposed to have Morgan Freeman on here, man. Hello from Earth. Hello from the planet Earth. We would like to talk to you today. What the fuck are they? What the hell? They need to send somebody real deep voice, make us aura. This is no aura. This is no aura. When they play the, so let's say they figure out how to play this golden record, okay? And when they figure it out and they play it and they hear us, they're not fucking with us, man. They're gonna wipe us out. We don't have no aura.
And more than 100 images expertly chosen by Carl Sagan and his team to tell our story. The human story. Earth story.
They don't have a TV. That TV don't even got a disc player.
Okay, now before I show you this picture, I want you to take a deep breath because it's honestly pretty terrifying. This
Deep breath,
is a
chat.
real photo of the astronaut Bruce McCandless
Deep breath, chat.
floating 100 meters away from the space shuttle with
This shit do not look real. That shit do not look real. Let me be honest.
Bruce McCandless floating 100 meters away from the space shuttle with no rope connecting him back to the ship. In 1984, he was on a mission to test this space jetpack system, so he left the ship and simply flew away into the abyss of space. Now, when he was asked about this,
Come on, gang. This shit, dude. I'm sorry. This shit don't look real. Them niggas is playing at the NASA space station. They playing at NASA for real. I ain't gonna lie. This shit don't look real.
floating 100 meters away.
Where the fuck is where's the light? Where's the stars? Where the fuck is the stars? Hello? That weak ass green screen. This green screen ass.
Space shuttle with no rope.
NASA
connecting
can
him
afford a
back
better
to the
green
ship.
screen than this.
In 1984, he was on a mission to
See, they had the
test
nest.
space
Come on, dude.
jetpack system. So he left the ship and simply flew away into the abyss of space. Now, when he was asked about this mission, he said that the
No
only thing
atmosphere,
that
so you can't see the
really
stars?
terrified
Oh.
him was how cold he got.
Yeah, and this old dad camera. I wouldn't expect to see him really.
As soon as he was away from the shuttle, I mean, imagine the silence.
They
Just
cost
you
like $100 million. Is a lot. That one, they got the
space.
money.
And what if he just drifted away? Freaky stuff.
He talking about freaky stuff. Boy, he didn't drift.
Imagine the silence. Just you
Oh hell no.
alone in space.
Oh, hell
and
no.
what if he just drifted away?
Never mind.
Freaky stuff.
Fuck no.
When black holes collide with one another, they send literal ripples throughout the fabric of space-time at the speed of light. These ripples squeeze and stretch everything in their path.
Damn.
Similar to the ripples on a lake. Now, Einstein predicted that these ripples must exist if his theory of general relativity were to be correct. But it wasn't actually
That shit is
until
not real.
2015
Like they got B-roll. Fuck out of here.
that we finally detected one for the first
Fuck
time.
outta here.
Scientists use an instrument called the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, or
What?
LIGO. A
LIGO?
laser beam is split down
Laser?
two 4-kilometer-long arms with mirrors at the end that
Damn.
reflect the lasers back and forth. Now, as the gravitational wave passes through the Earth, The length of each arm is changed ever so
Whoa. See, they playing with stuff out here. They just playing with manipulating energy. Look at them. They manipulating energy, man. That's why we be having problems.
slightly, which
That's why y'all be getting random headaches throughout the day, for real.
able to detect using this method.
The hell?
NASA's Mars rover Opportunity was one of the most successful rovers we have ever launched into space.
Yeah, we did that. I'm proud of us that we did that, for real. We really launched the hell out
Last
that
words
rover.
are some of the saddest you will ever hear. You see, Opportunity was initially only supposed to survive on the red planet for 90 days, but she was resilient. Using her solar panels, she was able to travel over 28 miles across the Martian surface over 14 years. Then one
Damn.
fateful day, as a Martian storm descended on the rover and the skies were choked with all sunlight, the solar-powered Opportunity messaged home saying, "My battery is low and it's getting dark."
It said that shit? Who the fuck taught it how to talk? She said that? Oh, man.
Now, while these facts are truly unbelievable, something I find unbelievable is the shaving industry whose desires and curiosity
You got me fucked up.
startup regularly planet 100 and better.
L-ad.
Now, of course, we all know that sunsets here on Earth have that beautiful red or pink hue. But what about on other planets? Like Mars, for example. Well, luckily, we have rovers there that can take some pictures and send them home.
We
And
do?
This is what we see. You see, sunsets on Mars have this beautiful blue tinge to them. This happens because the fine dust on Mars's surface allows the blue light to penetrate the atmosphere slightly more efficiently than the other colors. Oh, also, you might notice that the sun looks
For real?
quite small in these pictures.
You do.
And that's of course because Mars is just further away from the sun when compared to the Earth.
For real? You
One
sure?
day, potentially sometime soon, one of the brightest stars in our night sky will explode.
It better fucking not. It better tell me before it does some shit like that, because I'll let y'all know. For real. I will let y'all know. But if it, you better not explode without checking up with me first, okay?
And when it does, your night sky will look like this. I
For
am
real?
of course talking about the red giant star Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse is just a silly little star who often acts weird, getting brighter and dimmer, shooting off huge amounts of its
Fuck?
surface in the process. And new
What the hell? That shit shiny as fuck.
research came out just a few
That
months
shit is
ago
the sun. That's the sun.
showing that Betelgeuse is in the end stages of its life, fusing carbon in its core. If this is true, Betelgeuse will go boom in your lifetime.
Oh, hell no. He never told me
Are
that.
you kidding me? It will be so bright that you can even see it during the day, and it will cast a shadow at night. And yes, before you comment, Betelgeuse is actually 500 light years away, so technically it could have already exploded.
That's so weird.
This is true though.
It
But don't
did
freak out
explode.
or anything. We are actually outside of the danger zone, but if we were 450 light years closer to Betelgeuse, it could all be over.
450 light years closer. Whew. We made it just by we made it just by a hair. Dang. We were almost fucked. I'm not gonna lie.
Black holes are maybe the most elusive objects in the entire universe.
Really?
They are extremely dense, massive objects that have such a strong gravitational attraction, not even light can escape their pull. Now, our galaxy alone could contain over 100 million individual black holes, but since they emit
What the
no
fuck? 100 million?
over 100 million their pull. Now, our galaxy alone could contain
Oh my
over
God.
100 million individual
Betelgeuse
black
is a star?
holes,
That
but
nigga's the sun.
since they emit no light, they are extremely hard to find, unless they are eaten. Supermassive black holes that live in the center of most
That's crazy that they're hard to find unless they're sucking in energy. Hell no. You just be in space and shit and that shit warp you in. Well, you don't know unless some shit real close and getting warped in.
If not all galaxies consume an unbelievable amount of matter.
Hell
forming
no.
the brightly glowing accretion
Is
disks
that's the matter that we gotta use to live life too, huh? That's crazy.
you would have seen in movies like Interstellar. Now, while you can't see the actual black hole itself, you can see the event horizon, the point of no return, where light is sucked inside the black hole. Now, despite how far away they are and how impossibly hard they are to find, scientists were actually able to take pictures of two using a telescope.
You shitting me? No, they wasn't, man. Scientists did not. No, they didn't. I don't care what you say. They didn't take no picture of no fucking black hole. Let me see it. Let me see now. That shit might suck me in if I see it. I don't want to see anymore. I'm scared. I'm nervous. Hell no. Keep your fucking black hole picture then.
Scientists were actually able to take pictures of two using a telescope
My ass.
the size of the Earth. You heard that correct. When you do the math and figure out how big of a telescope you would need to take a picture
Nah,
of
they
one
don't,
of these
Matthew.
guys in any detail at all, you figure out that you need a telescope the size of the entire Earth to have any success at all. Now,
Excuse me? What the fuck did he say?
take a picture of one of these guys in. When you do the math and figure out how big of a telescope you would need to take a picture of one of these guys in any detail at all,
Oh my
you
God.
figure out that you need a telescope the size of the
Bless me, thank me,
entire
you look up to me.
Earth to have any success at all. Now, obviously, we can't go out into space and build a telescope this size. That's
Why
just
not?
not feasible. So they got creative. By using individual telescopes placed
Thank you,
all
Matthew.
around the globe, you can create an array of telescopes
I appreciate it,
that
twin.
theoretically image the black holes. And so they set two targets. The closest supermassive black hole to us, Sagittarius A star.
Sagittarius? He says horoscope? This fucking horoscope black hole. If you a Sagittarius, fuck you.
And the supermassive black hole in the galaxy M87, one of the most massive black holes we know of.
Damn.
Sagittarius A star is actually our black hole that lives in the center of the Milky Way galaxy.
Huh? Nigga, since when? How long he been living here with us? That nigga stay with us? I didn't know that. How long he been here? He better be paying his bills. He better pay his rent for our universe. It's expensive to live here for me, so he better be paying his due too.
It is just 26,000 light years away from
$26,000?
now. M87, on the other hand, is located 53 million light years away. And do you want to know the crazy thing? It worked. These are real images of...
Chat, we being dead ass? Are we being... Man, what the fuck am I looking at? This ain't an image of shit. I'm not looking... I'm in the way. Look what I'm seeing. Look at what I'm looking at. I don't see shit. This ain't shit. Believe it or not, that is real actually. Yeah, cause you went there. You went there and saw it, mud. I'm just a skeptic for real. This shit is not what. Hell no. Fuck no.
black holes, not
What kind of
animation,
telescope? What am I even?
real photographs. Isn't that just ridiculous? Now, back in the year 1990, the Voyager 1 spacecraft was leaving the solar system out past Neptune. Carl Sagan actually managed to convince NASA to turn her around and take just one last
W. Carl
image
Sagan.
of Earth. Some people said this was just dumb and a waste of fuel, but
The Sagittarius A1 isn't.
Voyager 1
I ain't gonna lie, gang. Both of those is like
was 4 billion.
they gonna be
miles
outside my
away from
house in
home,
black
and
trucks.
it
Let me
snapped
shut up.
This picture. That's the Earth.
Excuse me? Are we a bitch? Are we a bitch? Hell no, man.
Away from home when it snapped this picture.
We don't even got no fucking aura. Ah, ew. Look at us. Look at us in space looking stupid. Little fucking speck. We are a speck of dust. We dusty as hell in space. We're a speck of dust on a carpet. Holy shit.
That's the Earth.
What's that
caught in a
shit streak on
scattered
us?
Ray of light. In his book, when writing about this image, Sagan wrote, "The Earth is the only world known so far to harbor life. Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home.
That's us? What the hell?
Now, I want to tell you the incredibly sad story of Laika, the space dog.
Space
Back
dog.
In 1957, the Soviet Union was willing to do whatever it would take to win the space race. No one knew if the human body could withstand the lack of gravity, so they turned to dogs for testing. Laika was a stray dog from the streets of Moscow.
Oh, hell
she was
no.
Probably so happy, thinking she finally found a
That's
home.
fucked up.
Against her will, the scientists implanted sensors to measure her breathing and pulse, then strapped her into the rocket, knowing they were sending her to the grave. The cabin was just the size of a washing machine, and as it was launched into space, Laika was scared. Her heart rate tripled.
I ain't gonna lie, this fucked up, man. This fucked up. They ain't even have, and this, I know it's fucked up because they ain't even have no measures on there to make sure, like, okay, that's fucked up, bro. Hell yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I'm saying this because it's like, I know it's like they couldn't subject two people to, or two things to go through it, but it's like at this point, get another dog on there with, like, send two dogs together so it's at least like a companion kind of thing. But you're sending, she's panicking all by her fucking self, bruh. No treats, no toy on there for some type of comfort. Like, you know, she's on there by her fucking self alone. That's fucking wild, bro.
The temperature inside rose to 40 degrees Celsius.
That shit lame, I ain't gonna lie.
And after just 6
alone, nothing
hours,
for comfort. That's my point. Nothing for comfort and shit. It's like that's really the point to me. It's like it has nothing for comfort. Not a fucking, I don't know. They at least give a chew toy, make sure it has excess amount of food, like extra. Just eat. Like, you feel me? I know these measures just wasn't taken. And even if they were, this shit still fucked up. This shit say her heart, like, I don't know.
Stopped.
That's fucked, bro.
Did you know that days on Earth?
Wait, what'd he say?
Or 105 launched into space, Laika was scared. Her heart rate tripled. The temperature inside rose to 40 degrees Celsius or 105 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yo.
And after just 6 hours, Laika's heart stopped.
Bro. They killed that dog in 6 hours, gang. Holy shit, bro. And I know this is like one of the first spacecrafts that they built too. So they built that probably hella shit. Hella like space air probably got in, and then some more shit, bro. Can we guess how it died? I ain't gonna lie, it said after 6 hours her heartbeat stopped, so I don't think it exploded.
Did you know that days on Earth are literally getting longer? Each year.
What? Heart attack? Yeah, true. That's crazy, bro. Wait, days on Earth getting longer? How though?
The moon moves 1.5 inches away from us, which is a lot if you ask me. As a result, the Earth
What made him say that? That's all you got or something? Sorry.
rotates slightly slower every single year, making our days
I think it was a heart attack.
4 billion years ago, a day on Earth was just 18 hours long. And it
What? When? When did he say when?
rotates slightly slower every single year, making our days longer. 1.4 billion years ago, a day on Earth was just 18 hours long.
Oh, an 18-hour day? That mean I'm never going to sleep. Oh my, I would never sleep. The days used to be going fast as shit. Damn. I mean, it's like 6 hours of sunlight. Or 10 hours of sunlight or some shit.
And in just 1 billion years, a day on Earth will be 28 hours long, meaning...
What? 28-hour day? Oh, fuck.
you can get a full night's sleep and still have 20 hours for activity. In the heart of a galaxy 8.5 billion...
See, I wish space actually looked like this. Like, if space actually looked like this would be such aura. This shit looks so cool.
light years away lies the largest black hole ever discovered. And this thing is terrifying. Phoenix A star is the black hole, and it's 100 billion times larger than our sun. In fact, this black hole is so big that it's actually bigger than some entire galaxies. The diameter of the event horizon for this black hole is 100 times the distance between the sun and Pluto. That means that if you were traveling in a spaceship at the speed of light, it would still take you 71 days to complete one full loop of the black hole.
Damn.
And the really scary thing, it's still growing.
Why? Why? He not even mid-puberty yet? How old is he? Damn. He not grown up yet? You don't want to be old yet? Damn, twin. Fucking Wemby. This is the Wembenyama star.
You know, when people say you are a star, they aren't actually lying.
Yeah, they be telling me that all the
Every breath
time.
you take was formed in the heart of a dying star billions of years ago. Every glass of water you drink can be traced straight back to the Big Bang. The atoms in your body are deeply connected to the cosmos. Astronomy and physics are simply how the universe gets to observe itself. You are truly made of stardust.
Yeah, appreciate it, twin. Thank you. W video. I ain't gonna lie, that video is so amazing. I love space facts. We got to do some space facts every day type shit. I love space facts. W video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one, YouTube. And I guess that's what makes us expensive.